forgot I need to pull the stupid ABS fuse. That in my pocket. I have to pull that fuse for the handbrake to work. Either right on. Let's take a look around here. Pretty neat. A lot of shit to hit. You have fun?
You did good.
Right on, dude. job caught me.
This thing feels good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. You want to do another lap?
Yeah, why not?
It's not bad. The E36 I think would be easier to drive here. This is so tight.
Yeah.
And I think Jackson. Yep. I think Jackson's gonna be a challenge.
It might be.
But but no, it is fun. I got all the power.
Yeah.
Is it hard to slide the Challenger?
What's that?
Is it hard to slide?
It's a little different than a BMW, but
Buddy's got a Charger. You think he can do it?
if he welds the diff.
Yeah, there you go. You heard the man. Bring your Charger.
Pretty good, sir.
Hey, what year is this?
09.
09. What did you do to it?
I bought it. It had headers on it when I bought it. I put the seat in, the steering wheel. I built a handbrake.
Oh, there it is.
Yup.
Oh, okay.
So
that only works the rear brakes?
yes, sir.
Or the front?
Back only.
Just back only.
Yep. I got to pull the ABS fuse for it to stay locked, but yep. And I just got for suspension. It's just coilovers and a big front sway bar.
So you added that, right?
Yeah.
Because it has coilovers on the struts, right?
Yeah, yeah. In the front, the rear is a divorce spring shock, but I did a true coilover for the rear too.
Oh, okay.
So it lowered it a lot, ride height, and put a big front sway bar on it.
Okay. It's a 5.7 too?
Yep.
Did you do anything to that?
No, like it's got headers on it, but I bought it like that. So.
Cool.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thanks. What's up?
How comfortable are you with tandem?
Not here. No, not here.
Figured I'd ask. You look better than a lot of people.
Thanks. That was fun.
Yeah.
This is a good pit spot other than the dust.
Yeah, I like the setup.
Well, I was like, I'm sitting in the shade, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a little bit. You like that?
Yeah,
Cool.
like I said, I was trying to go with somebody who went clean wide,
Yeah.
and you was one of them.
Right on, dude.
There's like 3 people going clean wide out there. That was smooth, man.
Sweet.
Fucking sick driving. Linking the back was dope.
Yeah, I like to just fucking.
Oh, dude. The fucking Charlie, bro.
The Charlie drifts, bro.
Backup camera, fuck yeah.
It sucks, but it's there.
Fuck
The
yeah.
AC even works.
Give it up for Wyatt! Hey, ready? Let's go, Wyatt, let's kill it!
Fucking kill it, Brock.
Good Hemi. Good Hemi. Good car. Pretty fun. Tires are probably about cooked. Except for a hot dog.